Hi Quillers! Today we can learn to make two different types of leaves using quilling comb and quilling slotted tool. Here you can see the two varieties made from one single quill shape. Keep watching to learn to make them yourself. This is Agnes and welcome to my channel. Take your quilling comb, find the centermost teeth of your comb and wind the paper around 3 pins of the comb. Glue them in the center so they hold the shape. See, they can move freely around the 3 pins. Now, leave one space and wind around the next pin. Turn the comb and glue to the center. Try to use a small dot of glue instead of spreading the glue as it affects the end results. Do the same on the other side. Leave one space and wind around the next pin. Turn the comb and glue to the center. Remember to glue to the center every time the paper crosses that particular point. Do the same process across both the sides until you finish the length of comb, but you should have same number of loops on both the sides. I have 15 pins in my comb, so I get 3 loops on each side, and I had a little remaining paper which I would wind around to finish the leaf. When done, remove it off the comb. Use a pen or something cylindrical. Place them behind the center. Move it in a rolling manner so the paper bends easily to form a teardrop shape. Wind the excess paper around the shape to form a closed teardrop shape. Glue the end. You can use a tweezer to fix it well without squishing the shape. You can see a time lapse of the procedure once again from a different angle. They are fast to make once you get used to it. You can also make these in batches, so they are even more time saving. Once the teardrop shape is done, you can find all or not same all the time, but be happy that they can get good results at the end. Those differences could be due to using excess glue in the center, difference in the pressure given while using a pen to bend, using different size of objects or different size pen that is used to bend the center of the shape. To make the leaf with rolls facing outside, you need to place your slotted tool in the outside top corner of the loop as shown in the picture. Roll each loop outward as shown. Now let's see the other variant. To make leaves with rolls facing inward, you need to place your slotted tool in the inside top corner of the loop as shown by the blue marker lines. Then roll each loop inward. These leaves are easy to make and add interest to our project. Let me also show you how I add stock to these leaves. You can also use these shapes to create a flower. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it.